Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Wuthering waves crashing on mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the app and now go to the menu. Now go to settings on the bottom right hand side. Now in settings, go to the graphics section. Now over here, to stop the crashing, lower the graphic presets to low or medium depending on if it crashes or not. Now here, make sure to change the resolution to either medium or low depending on how it crashes. You can also change the custom settings like frame rate and shadow quality. If the game is lagging a lot with 60 FPS, turn it down to 30 FPS. Lower the special effects on quality, FSR and LOD bias. When this is done, close the game and now go to settings. In here, scroll down and click on battery. Make sure that the low power mode is disabled as this can cause the crashing. Next, go back and go to general. Over here, go to iPhone storage and now make sure that you have sufficient storage to have capacity for all the updates. Next, make sure that you're running the latest version of iOS. To do that, go back once and now click on software update. Here, update and install the latest version if you haven't already. Next, make sure that your Wuthering Waves app is updated to the latest version. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.